Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show! This is our host for today, Mr. Mookie.
So hi, hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Bird Show. We have here our group of engineers all the way from California, and our group of pigeons named Skylar and Tommy. So did you know that pigeons So now, to formally open the show, let me call on my partner to the stage, my chubby, greedy brother, Ronan, together with a blue and gold account named Amigo. Now, Amigo will formally open the show. Alright, Amigo, what will you do? You pull the flag up. Come on, don't be shy. Up to the top. Don't stop, buddy. Pull, 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 pull. Don't stop. And up to the top. Even if the ladies are going from South America, out of the Philippines. So, aside from that, Amigo is a very responsible bird. I have here a sample trasher, so empty. Alright, Amigo, come on. You pick up, you walk away, you open the feet, and jump inside. You walk away, you open the feet, and jump inside.
Nice one!
The plastic up, you walk again, you open the feet, and jump inside. Right? So please, guys, help us to maintain our environment clean and green, because cleanliness is next, yeah? Godliness. Now, Amigo, together with his wine-feathered friends, will officially open the show. Alright, Amigo? Welcome to the jungle of South America. Please help me welcome our flying macaques. Alright, buddies? So we have a total of 7 blue and gold macaques. So did you know that there were 370 species of birds on Earth, and macaws are the largest? So please do not reach out the bird. So aside from that, so that. And they love to eat. Say jumbo!
Jumbo!
Alright! So here's our another green macaw. So we wonder why Jumbo is his name. In fact, the trainer and the MC are the true Jumbo. So Jumbo Intolo. Alright, so hey Jumbo, why don't you wave to everybody? Say hi. Yes. Again, can you wave again? Hi. Alright. So macaws are very long-tailed feather which can extend up to 3 feet from their body to the tail. Now, Jumbo will show you his very, very long tail. Tail. Spin! Alright. So, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color on their wings. So you want to see his wings? Yes. Say wings!
Wings!
And then one more time, say wings!
Wings!
Yes! So, they're also zygoniculus type of bird, meaning they have 2 toes in front and 2 behind. Now, Mr. Romney prepared a special reward for Jumbo, and let's see how will Jumbo get his reward. Alright, Mr. Romney, he'll lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So when using his feet, it's because his feet serve as the 3rd finger used for climbing and holding things. Now, as I've said earlier, Jumbo is a very intelligent bird. Want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school.
Wow!
So for the first test, let's have the spelling